This is going to be the least BS review you've ever seen. And this is the Marumi Prime Plasma Sputtering CPL. I'm assuming sputtering is a poor Japanese translation. Circular polarizers are great for removing glare and reflections to a point, but give an effect you cannot replicate in editing. The reason this is going to be such a non-BS review is because when it comes to filters, we really only care about a few things. Marumi make a claim on their website that most CPLs reduce incoming light by about 1.5 stops, where this should only reduce by about 1 stop. From my testing, measuring whites and correcting exposures to match, that claim is incorrect, as I found they are nearly exactly 1.5 times darker. And maybe that would put you off buying this filter, but I'd encourage you to hold on for just a moment. See, with any filter, all we really care about is if it affects colour and sharpness. On screen you can see 3 photos, 1 without a filter and 2 with. The 2 with the filter have the CPL set to the extreme effects that a CPL offers, so with the original glare and with no glare. And each shot has been exposure matched to 0.4% accuracy on the whites. If we zoom in to 1200%, tell me if you can see any difference in sharpness or colour accuracy. In fact, if I reveal which shot was which, I would even go so far as to say that the chromatic aberrations are reduced a little with the filter. This is a perfect result. Next up, Marumi claim the filter is scratch resistant. This does not mean scratch proof, but also dust, dirt, water and oil repellent. So I thrashed it. Practically nothing over the top, but I did what I wouldn't encourage you do to a filter, then scrubbed it clean with an old t-shirt, and it still looks pretty much brand new. Watching this footage back, I can see a smudge I missed at the time of recording, but to my eyes while filming this filter looks perfect. It would be nice for a few more markings on the filter to indicate whereabouts it is set to, so it's probably not the greatest CPL in the world, but it is perfect enough to only give you advantages with 0 optical flaws. Kudos to Marumi for the Prime Plasma Sputtering CPL.